Quick questions don't always have ready-made, concise answers. But give us 2 minutes and we'll try to answer your quick questions about search in the age of AI. This episode's quick question: what is a vector database? A vector database is a data store designed to efficiently store, index, and search high-dimensional vector embeddings. Vector databases need to be scalable. They need to be able to search millions, even billions of vectors. What should I be looking for in a vector database? Well, I'm biased, but Elasticsearch is the best vector database. When you're looking for a vector database, you want to look at scalability. You want to look at both indexing and search performance. How well does it support hybrid search? And how easy is it to set up and integrate with your existing tech stack? Elasticsearch has 2 superpowers. First, it supports hybrid search out of the box. And our semantic text field makes it super easy to index and search vectors with minimal ramp-up time. And there you go. That's the quick answer. Check out all of our additional awesome Elastic resources for way deeper answers, research, sample code, blogs, tutorials, and a lot more.